The Reynolds Boughton RB44 four-wheel drive cross-country vehicle has been designed to exacting military requirements. Prototypes were extensively tested prior to the release of the production vehicle specification. Equipped as a GS cargo vehicle, it can seat a complement of 15 troops or provide space for 2 NATO pallets. The vehicle can tow trailers or artillery pieces up to 2,200 kilograms. Many alternative options are available, making the RB44 eminently suitable in the role of ambulance, firefighting, recovery, workshop or communication vehicle. The vehicle is available as FFR, fitted for radio. Renault Truck Industries are responsible under subcontract from Reynolds Boughton for purchasing approximately 350 unique parts for the vehicle and the assembly of the chassis cab. The engine is a turbocharged T440 phaser engine known in RTI as the Q3. This particular engine is unique to the contract because it has a slightly higher governed speed and a crankshaft wading seal. The original small sump and the fuel shutoff solenoid is deleted. There is also an ether cold start device fitted in the inlet manifold. On the FFR specification, an additional 24-volt alternator is fitted. This is to power the radio equipment fitted in the body and is only fitted by RTI. The remainder of the work is completed by Reynolds Boughton. The gearbox fitted is the Turner Spicer T5 250, a 5-speed synchronous gearbox as in the standard Q3 50 series vehicle. The clutch fitted is also standard 50 series. The Reynolds Boughton 2-speed transfer box provides permanent 4-wheel drive, with a central differential to ensure even distribution of power to front and rear axles. The differential is lockable for ultimate traction. 2 power takeoffs are provided for mechanical or hydraulic drives. The transmissions are received at Dunstable already filled with oil. Both front and rear axles are unique to the vehicle. The front axle utilises brakes similar to those of the 50 series 7.5 tonner, and the rear axle uses Girling brakes similar to the old R+B 3.5 tonner. The rear axle incorporates a no-spin differential. Only one axle ratio is offered. The front and rear suspension are multi-leaf semi-elliptical springs from the R+B range. Regarding the chassis frame, side members are basically 50 series with additional drillings, but the cross members have extensively changed. The overall assembly is similar to the 50 series and the paint is in cataphoretic black. The ZF power assisted steering is similar to that of the 50 series. It has a different drop arm and the power steering reservoir is unique that it has a special sealing lid to meet military requirements. The power steering pump is unique to the 4x4. The brakes are vacuum hydraulic with drums front and rear. The load sensing valve is a WABCO unit, the same as specified for the midliner SE and SF drawbar vehicles. cab is basically the 50 series with reinforcings, additional brackets and drillings to accommodate the special components. Headlamps are lowered and fitted into the special bumper, and there are special wing extensions to accommodate the tyres. The step to the cab is unique to suit the raised height of the vehicle. The cab trim is what was basically the 50 series lowline. The seats are Sabre units with lowline trim. To suit military requirements, the brake pedal has an offset in it, and the steering column universal joint is unique. The handbrake is the original R+B low position. There is an option for a cab rear sliding window. The open portion always opens on the passenger side. Traction tyres are fitted, which means that the assemblies are handed. The wheel rims are fitted with helicopter lifting sling retaining discs to make the vehicle air transportable. Most of the lighting equipment is unique and is FVE military components. The installation includes a 12-pin trailer lighting socket, and at the end of the cab trim line there is a unique electrical test rig for checking out the cab assembly electrics. On the completed vehicle, the CEP, Controlled Electronic Program, is used to validate the entire vehicle electrics installation. The CEP is an RVI designed piece of equipment which enables all the electric circuits on the vehicle to be tested, and is unusual in that it allows for testing to be carried out with vehicle engine running. There is a prompt for the operator so that a strict test sequence is adhered to, and the machine records whether the test results are acceptable or not. The brake system is bled using the evacuate and fill equipment. With this equipment only a single connection is made to the brake reservoir. Firstly, the machine evacuates the brake system. If a satisfactory vacuum is created and there is no leakage, then the system automatically fills with brake fluid to the correct level. This shows the 24-volt generator fitted for FFR requirements mentioned earlier.